Hello, my name is Daniel Arevalo, and this is my Psych 107 movie assignment. Description: the film I chose is The Benchwarmers. Although this movie mostly takes place on a baseball field, we are focusing in on a character named Howie, who unfortunately stays in his closet for the majority of the movie. Howie is the brother of one of the baseball players in the movie. Diagnosis: the disorder I would diagnose Howie with is schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a disorder that affects how people interpret reality. In the film, Howie lives alone with his brother, who is not very mature at all for his age. Howie spends all of his time in his closet, where he isolates himself from everything. Although Howie does not see a therapist in the movie, I believe that if he were living in better circumstances, he would be able to get some help. I believe that schizophrenia is diagnosed in all cultures due to the fact that there is no explanation for what exactly causes it. The stigmas that are associated with schizophrenia in our culture include looking down upon and labeling these people just because they are not quote-unquote normal. Evidence: the two symptoms that Howie displays are decreased participation in daily activities and having hallucinations. In the movie, instead of maybe being in his room or in the living room, he chooses to stay in his safe closet all day, not even coming out to use the restroom. In the movie, you can see Howie giving his brother large bottles of urine to dispose of for him. A symptom that Howie shows the least in the movie is disorganized thinking. Treatment: my treatment plan would be to use a type of psychosocial therapy called cognitive behavioral theory. This is the most appropriate treatment for schizophrenia. It is conducted in order to bring happy thoughts into your patient's mind while replacing their negative thoughts. This should make the individual more positive and more willing to interact with others. Although this treatment could be lifelong, there are positive results that come with it. The main ethical concern of this experiment is respect for the patient. Howie has much worth and of course a mind of his own. When trying to provide proper treatment, there could be some barriers in the way, such as cultural beliefs or wrong situational circumstances. For example, if your patient lives in a household that does not believe in treatment like this, they most likely will not want the patient to be treated. Also, if you are trying to provide proper treatment and something has come up, either in the patient's life or the doctor's life, they may not be ready to deal with this very important treatment that takes pure focus and dedication to improve the patient's life. Broader perspectives: I believe that the film does a good job of showing what Howie is dealing with. It may not be the most accurate due to the fact that it doesn't show a super severe case of schizophrenia, but it definitely highlights the main distinctions of the disorder. The portrayal of disorders in films strengthens our understanding of what other people are going through mentally. We become more thankful and feel blessed that we have not been diagnosed with a mental disorder. Seeing what these people go through is very scary, especially knowing that they have no control of what is happening to them. Thank you.